Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two Linux distro platforms, which is Linux Mint and Debian. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Linux Mint in 2095 is a published beginner-friendly distro that feels instant, familiar to Windows users with Chameleon Mate and Xfix desktop. It comes with a multimedia codec, drivers, and everyday tools with pre-installed, which make it great for hassle-free use. The downside is that it's based on Utum, which is the Utum 8X, so it isn't as cutting edge and can carry over snap quirk some users dislike. Debian, by contrast, is the golden standard for stability with a conservative release cycle and a strict free software principles. It's excellent for servers and advanced users who value reliability and control. However, its older package and more manual setup make it less appealing for beginners. So in conclusion, Mint is best for his and everyday desktop, while Debian wins for long-term stability and advanced uses. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.